Hey guys, today I want to show you a super cute Snoopy Swatch watch that I bought in Bangkok in a second-hand Japanese shop. I went there and I saw this watch and the price was 1500 baht, which is very cheap for a watch in a very good condition, and I just couldn't resist. So let's check this watch. Okay, let's open this. Here, nothing special. Good box, Swatch Peanuts collection. Very cute. Let's check what's inside. This is the original receipt. It was bought at 2023. Siam Paragon. The warranty is already expired, of course. And here are some manuals in several languages. Not really important. Let's check this watch. The dial is very simple, white, with a drawing of Snoopy, some home, and his birdie friend, which I don't know its name. It doesn't have a date window, and it has no lume, but still very nice dial. The case is made of biosourced material, which is basically plastic, but the feeling is very nice, I would say. The strap has Snoopy drawings. Here, Peanuts. I really like this one. So strap material is silicone and the clasp material is polymer. Let's check the other side. And the other side. It's a quartz movement, of course. Has some water resistance of 3 bar. Swiss made. The case diameter is 34 millimeters and the thickness is 8.75 millimeters. Here it doesn't have Swiss or like Swatch logo, so simple. And the watch is in very, very good condition. No, I don't see any scratches here. I don't think it's been used. Who knows, but yeah, it's very good. Let's try it on my wrist. Okay. Looks nice. It's quite small. It's not for me. I bought it for my nephew. Yeah, cute watch. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed this. Like and subscribe to my channel and see you next time. Bye bye.